Okay, the first thing you're going to do is use this sticker as a guide to cut this slot. So line up the line with this piece and push it right up into the back like so, and stick it on and drill the holes. Or what you might want to do is carefully cut with a scalpel along the line so that you can mark the line on the plastic. There might be another way of doing it. After you've cut the hole, give a bit of a scratch. Scratch it up a little bit so that the glue will take. We're going to put a scratch here. You'll see why in a minute. Just rough up the surface a little bit. Wipe the dust off. You don't need much glue. Two drops on each. You put this end in first, just push it up into there so it slots in, and slowly bring it down and press down firmly. If you've got accelerator, that'll help. Like so. You take your LED, push it in. You're going to just give this a bit of a bend down on that angle like that, so that the door card doesn't catch on this wire. Make sure it's pressed in there. Take your hot melt glue, and put a double glue there.